Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So you may not recognize this bullet journal, and that's because I started a new K-pop journal. And you may be thinking, awesome, she filmed her setup for us. And to that I say, yes, I absolutely did film my setup for you, but I accidentally deleted the footage. So yeah, I'm really disappointed in myself for doing that. There was no way to recover it. I considered starting a whole other new journal just so I could refilm it, but I really liked where this one was going, so I didn't want to do that. So yeah, as you see, I just decorated the cover with a bunch of stickers. That was my cover page, and then this is my welcome page with these photos of Handang. I love these pictures. She takes the most aesthetic photos, so I had to use them. And then my first spread was BTS on New Year's Rockin' Eve. It's a pretty simple spread. I didn't put a whole lot of time into it, so I'm not terribly worried about losing the footage for that specifically, but I am sad that I lost the video for the actual setup part. But that's okay. Moving on, let's get into today's spread, which is for Interlude Shadow by BTS. This is Yoongi's solo for the new comeback, and I loved it so much. Obviously I liked Boy With Love and I like Persona a lot, but I do tend to go towards the darker concepts. I'm not like one of those people that's like, oh, these were their better times, like Blood, Sweat, and Tears was their peak, blah, blah, blah. Like, absolutely not. I love Boy With Love. I love Persona. But my personal taste is normally a little bit darker of a concept, more like Fake Love. Like, Fake Love is my absolute favorite. So I'm really excited for this comeback. I really loved this video. Yoongi did such an amazing job. So, of course, I had to do a spread for it. I'm a little bit behind. I've been really behind on my spreads lately. I have so many plans that I want to do, and then I sort of need to do within a certain time frame because, like, I'm just now posting this video, but Black Swan is already out and I want to do a spread for that. I've got a lot of birthday spreads that I'm already behind on that I need to get out. So I'm really hoping to upload a lot of content in this coming week just to sort of get caught up. I've been just really not motivated lately, and I really want to get back into it, and I really think that this spread helped me do that. I loved making this spread. It was so fun, and I love how it turned out. So for the lettering, I was trying this edgy lettering, which I got inspiration from Keynotes for this. And she actually has a tutorial on how to do it. If you want to check that out, I'll leave the link in the description. But I just thought it was really, really fitting for this video. So that was the style I wanted to go for instead of calligraphy. Also, just a friendly reminder that I am selling the Army Bomb decals that I made in my last video. They are customizable and they are only $3. So check out the Etsy link in the description if you want to get one and help support my channel. So I actually wrote on the underneath shadow on this paper, right side, because if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that when I use scraps of marker paper, like when I don't pull it straight out of the pack of paper, I almost always end up accidentally doing my lettering on the wrong side of the paper. And there is like a right side and a wrong side of the marker paper, because one side will like blend it nicely and the other side it's almost like the ink just like sits on top of it and it doesn't blend and the colors don't look the same. So I decided to start writing in pencil like right side when I use scraps of paper, when I save scraps of paper. So hopefully that will help me in the future and I can stop making that mistake. I pulled this like red maroonish paper out of the binder that I used to organize my paper by color, and I started ripping it and I was like, this is so thick. And then I was like, oh, that's because it's actually two pieces of paper stuck together. So I wasted kind of this blue piece of paper, but I do this ripping method all the time, so maybe I will use it again. I'm so sorry if you watch this channel and you just, every time you watch one of my videos, you're like, she is so dumb. It's true, I really am, so it's okay. So here I'm just writing my thoughts about the song and how I think that it's such an interesting duality that Yoongi addresses in this song about how like you want to be famous and you want it all, and you don't realize that the more light that you get, the bigger the shadow is going to be, like he says. And I just think that's a very interesting thing, because he's not saying that like he regrets it or that he doesn't want it. It's just like, you know, I didn't think about how hard this was going to be and how I'm going to have all of the bad things as well as the good things. And I don't know, it's just a really good song and a really good music video, and I'm so proud of Yoongi. He's so amazingly talented, and I love when he gets the opportunity to sort of express that for himself. So this is the final spread. I am so happy with this spread. I'm really proud of it. I love it a lot, and I just really think that I did the song justice, in my opinion. I think that it helps me kind of come out of my creativity / motivation block. So yeah, if you like this spread and you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.